Hi friends, you'll be surprised to know about this individual, the unsung hero, who really transformed his life. And today he is in an amazing position when everybody else will look at this particular person and start feeling jealous about him. Would you like to know the story about this person? I'm going to share this in this video to all of you. This is a story about a person who just out of college joined us in 1998. When we started our company, he was just the first employee helping us out, doing all kind of operational activity. So he joined our company, and you all know that we are into corporate events. And those days, the banks used to launch ATM centers because the ATM was something which is very big. Any bank which has got an ATM is considered to be very big. So they used to have a press meeting and all of that. So this guy joined us, very raw from college. Not much in terms of polishing skills with respect to communication or to do with dressing sense. He just came and he started working with us, and we were also new, so we were also not that very professional in terms of everything that we were trying to do, apart from just executing events in a very brilliant fashion. So he joined us, he started working with us, and one of the things that I really liked about this particular person is his curiosity, and then going all out to ensure that whatever he does, it does it in a very stylish way. So we started having this event after event, and one of the leading banks in the country was our major clients at that point of time, and he was handling that client. Continuously, we had a lot of activities happening, and slowly, we started having PR activities. We were involving the press, and quite a lot of amazing brand building exercise was happening for that particular bank through this particular person as a client servicing for that entire activity. As things go by, he became very close to the client, and at one point of time, he also had an opportunity to work in the bank. So he came to us, and we also readily accepted this career path where he has to move on, and he went and joined that particular bank. Within few months' time, he was able to achieve the target that the bank was given him in terms of business development or client acquisition, with so much of deposits and current account and all of that. Because we had about 3-4 major clients, and all of those clients were very close to him because he's a very nice person. He has this amazing PR skills, and then he was really performing well in the bank as well. Few months passed, years passed. There was another major MNC company. At that point of time, they were actually planning to have a finance division in India. They did start a finance division, and he was working in that organization as a manager, and he had built a beautiful team around him. Most of his childhood friends were also part of the company as an employees. Along with him, they were working in different positions, and he was carrying on his path in a different way. But one thing about his PR skills, which is something which very fascinated about, and he kept on continuing that PR skills time and time again. And a lot of activities through this Rotaract Club. He did a lot of social service here and there. So one of the major activities that the organization was funding in terms of the foundational activities was really became very big, where the district collector was involved, and quite a lot of corporation schools were given refurbished computers to them, and it became very famous. And the company that he is working currently, through their CSR foundation, they have contributed some cash award of about a few lakhs. With that particular money, he immediately contributed that money, visiting the collector and hand over the entire money to the government juvenile home for the development activity. So that again became very famous, and his name was spread across quite a lot of media in the city, as well as to in the organization also. It's really given him a lot of mileage. After a few months passed away, and he's continuously active, so the social activity was continuously going on, and his performance in the professional front also was really amazing. He was growing year on year, and his career path was really high, and he was also continuously clocking the exact number that the company has given him in terms of targets. While this was going on, another major initiative, the complete social initiative that he was trying to do, again the CSR initiative of the company's foundation money, they were able to give him a little more bigger money, and that huge money, maybe close to about 10 lakh rupee or something. He took that money, went to the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu at that point of time. He had given the entire money to the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu at that point of time, and told them to use it for the social service activities. So again, it came out in a lot of newspapers and everything. So he became even more popular at that point of time. So the reason that I'm trying to talk about this particular story is because today he's a very, very successful person, especially since the healthcare product at this point of time is doing extremely well. He is really, really doing great job, and whatever the target that the company has given him, he has just finished in about 3-4 months time with that kind of a PR skill. What is the lesson from this particular person? An amazing person is that the curiosity to learn and utilizing the contacts and communications that you have, the kind of a PR that you have. And one of the things that I really liked about this person is that he never used it for his personal benefit. So imagine, somebody gives you a cash award and you just go and give it to the social fund again, and whatever the PR that he's trying to have, he never uses for his own personal thing. He just want to use it for the development of people and maybe for helping out a lot of people, and that's an amazing quality of this particular person. So my dear friend, the whole story that I'm actually trying to narrate to all of you is because how an ordinary person, I was just telling you the way in which he came to work with us in the very first day from the college, and later on how did he really grow, and how this performance actually carried forward from one to another organization, and of course the way in which he was involving unconditionally without any expectation, just to give. That is an amazing quality that I really liked about him. Hope if we can pick up 1 or 2 lessons from this particular story, and if we can start putting it in our own life, I'm sure there'll be a whole lot of opportunities in front of us will open up, and we will definitely be able to go to the next level in whatever life that we want. Thank you very much. Hope you liked it.